Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is very important video of how carefully you should do your choice filling and complete processes. And I will explain the choice locking process as well, right? So very important step as per the Comedk brochure. It is responsibility of candidates, parents and guardians to understand the complete campus location, colleges, facilities offered, hostel accommodation and others thing before deciding the college option entry order or the choice filling order. And one important thing is that candidates have to fill their choices of colleges course within the prescribed time, which is 11th July to 13th July, as you know. And candidates can add as many preferences as they wish. That means you can add up to 9,999 combinations. Please add as many combinations you want of course and college. Candidates can add, modify, reorder their college course any number of times till the last date, right? You cannot modify the seat which has been allotted. So except the allotted college, you can all add, modify and reorder. And please be careful while selecting preference. You can edit preference till last day. Only the saved preference will be considered. So please understand, there will be no submit button. There will be no submit button. Only saved preference will be considered, right? And candidates whose choice filling form is blank at the end of choice filling period of round 1, they will not be considered for the counseling. Next important thing is only saved preference will be considered, as I mentioned, and candidate can preview their preferences till the last day of choice filling. There is no limit. You can take the printout for future reference, and candidate whose choice filling form is blank at the end of round 1 choice filling period will not be considered for further process.